Hello guys, welcome again. This is Raj and I hope you are doing great. So in this video, I'm going to show you some live scalping video. I didn't intend to, make this video, but I saw an opportunity today and I thought I would do a video so that you understand how to trade and how to scalp in option buying. Generally, I don't do, this kind of trading, but this is just for educational purpose. Also, I would just like to say that it's the hardest way to make a small money. So I generally wouldn't recommend this kind of style, especially for option buying. Although there are a lot of people who makes money in this, for me personally, I like to capture huge movement. In option scalping, it's other way around. You have to do a lot of hard work. You have to enter quickly. You have to exit quickly, and you have to wait for the right time, and yet capture only few points. Or the ROI is very less, and it's not worth the effort. So take this video just for an education, and if you want to give it a try, feel free to trade and do scalping as well. I'm not going to stop you. Anyway, let's just get started with the video. Before that, please make sure to like this video, comment if you have any doubts, and also share this with your friends and click that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload the video. Hello guys, so I'm just going to play option scalping buying. So let me just show you how I do it. So right now it is looking good for a quick scalp. So let me just nifty 18,100, maybe 18,100 January. Yes, let me just buy it. So yeah, this is just an example trade, guys, so that you understand. Okay, so the reason why I bought here is because it's a very low risk. Okay, because this is a place where a lot of buying has been happening, a very good place for me to enter right now. So let's see how it goes. This is a very good pattern. It has come out of a huge pattern as well. So right now it is trying to come out of this support. So let's see how this goes. Probably I'll keep my stop loss below this one or this one. Yeah, so not much. So basically 1:1.5 or 1:1 only. Scalping trades, yeah, you don't look for 1:3, 1:2. Usually I don't take trades like this, to be honest, but this is just an example trade for the people who wants to learn scalping, or who wants to do scalping. So it's all about the consistency. So basically, if you're taking 10 trades, and how profitable you are and what's the accuracy looks like. So it's the average performance of your last 10 trades. I'm okay with the stop loss set. I'm okay with the profit. But the learning here is that if you're scalping, just make sure that you don't go and chase after a breakout or after a huge green candle. It is always better to enter in a red candle at a place where you think there is going to be a potential reversal. So for example here, right now it's good. Usually people just exit it in 2% or 3%, but let me, because since there is a potential, I think I'll wait for some time, because some people they just enter and exit with 2 or 3 rupees, which is okay. But for now, I think I've entered at a right place and with a good average. So probably 103 or something like that, 5 rupee. So you have to be extremely patient when it comes to scalping. You shouldn't be taking trades. For example, for this trade, I've been waiting for some time. But the returns are like not as crazy or as good as taking a swing trade. So that is why I don't spend much of my time scalping. I never scalp. So this is just a demonstration. And the reason why I don't scalp is because my time is better spent in analyzing other stocks for swing, where I get better ROI, be it options or the swing cash. Okay, so that is the reason I don't scalp the ROIs, or like, so it's like digging a gold mine with A shovel, what I look for is I usually like to dig with a JCB. That is why, because JCB you can dig a lot, you get a lot of returns. Shovel, you just make a small gold, which I'm not interested in, and it takes a lot of time as well. For example, JCB, it doesn't take much of your time, and you still make a lot of returns, right? So, so here JCB is swing trading, shovel is scalping. Uh-huh. If it is broken, probably I'll buy a PE and close this trade with a loss. So let's wait. Okay, so let me just exit it with a loss. Okay, let me exit it. Not a good trade. Okay, so let me buy 1800 PE. So let me wait for the a strong close here. Oh, it's pretty fast. Okay, so oh shit, it's already gone, man. It should have been very fast, but my system gets slow whenever I record videos. I should have entered a little bit faster since I'm recording it. Still 2 more minutes. The reason why I'm reversing this trade is because of the simple reason it's a break. Initially I was expecting a reversal to this point, but again it failed, so now it is breaking down, so I'm taking a PE, and let's see how this goes. I could have entered at a better price, probably 96 or 95. If it wasn't, I mean, I don't know why my laptop gets a little slow. Okay, that is a 15%, which is good. I think I'll exit here. So 5,000 profit. So that was a quick scalp trade, guys. I wouldn't be needing much more than this, since I'm not trying to hold this because obviously it's a scalp trade. So the reason behind going short is, I think it should be obvious, because it was breaking down and I was trying to make use of it. But here's few things to note. Okay, so here in this 15 minutes, it is a very strong candle with a wick at the top, which indicates that there is going to be a subsequent candle like this. I'm going to make use of that. Okay, so that is the idea behind my short trade. If it was a very normal red candle with no wick at the top and even wick at the bottom, I wouldn't be shorting. That would be just a revenge trade or something like that. So initially the first trade that I took, again it was a very good one. I wouldn't say it was a bad decision for me to go long here because my stop loss is very small. If this were to go up, I would have been in a good profit, but again it went down, so I closed it immediately and took a put. And I could have entered a little bit earlier, I would have entered a little bit earlier, but again the problem with my system. And look at it, this is why you should close really soon, and if you were holding it you would be in a loss. Okay, so this is how you scalp, guys. I thought I would do, I generally don't do scalping, but I thought I would give it a try. As far as the risk is concerned, I enter at a place where the risk is low. Here again, my stop loss would have been the top of this candle. Okay, let's say I went short somewhere around here, correct? Let's say it went up and formed a green candle. I would still be holding until this point, okay, which is 18,085. So yeah, that was my stop loss, and even that is hit, I would be done for the day. So in scalping, what you can do is you can go and scalp. I mean, you can take two trades, guys. Basically, if you are profitable in the first trade, don't take another trade. And if you lose in the first trade, wait for the right instance and take the second trade. Even if the second trade is ending up as a loss, close the shop, never look at the chart again for the day, come fresh, take the trade next day. Okay, no matter how good the market is, if you follow the simple technique, you will save a lot of money. So the key here in scalping is close your loss very soon, and also do not revenge trade. Revenge trading will make you broke, and that is a key thing. And again, scalping is a very toughest way to make consistent income. Here I am making this video because just for the educational purpose, and you have to be very quick with entries and exit. Today I was a little bit slow with the put position, but still, since it was like it went as per my prediction, I was okay. Normally you shouldn't take that much time, you should be very fast with it. And I was taking like as if I'm taking a swing trade. So normally it should be at least 3 times faster, okay, when executing. Even for some swing trading option position, I used to exit very fast. I didn't even do that here. So yeah, that would be all, guys. I hope you learned something from this. And I thought the first trade would end up profitable, but no, the second trade was profitable anyway. And 5,000 is good. I mean, I wouldn't have made 5,000 today if it weren't for this educational video. Probably I'll spend I'll spend that for a nice dinner or something. That would be all for the day. Thank you so much, and see you soon again.